Here are some other terms, that is, number third is condensation. The process of change of a substance from its vapor state to liquid state is called condensation. It means, suppose if you have taken a beaker, a glass of water in that, and after that you have heated, then you cover the lid with you cover the lid on that vessel, and after that some you switch off the flame, and then after some time you can open the lid and you can see that droplets of water appear on the surface of the lid. So you collect in the glass, and that process is called as the condensation. The temperature at which condensation takes place is called its condensation point. It means the temperature at which the droplets of water appear on the vessel lid, that is called as the condensation point. Freezing. The process of change of a liquid into its solid state on cooling is called freezing. Suppose you have taken a glass of water and keep in the freezer. After few minutes or after few hours, you can see that it will get converted into ice. The fixed temperature at which the liquid changes into a solid is called freezing point. It means the temperature at which that water will get converted into the ice, that is called as the freezing point. Now, other one is the sublimation, the process in which a solid directly changes into vapor state without passing through the liquid state at all temperatures is called as the sublimation. Here, what you will see that if the solid directly changes into the vapor state without passing through the liquid, then at all temperature it is called as the solid. It means if you have taken any solid, that is the ice, and it's get directly get converted into the vapor state, or vapor appears, or in the gaseous state, that stage is called as the sublimation. For example, here given iodine, camphor, and naphthalene are substances that show sublimation. It means, suppose that iodine balls, or you have taken the camphor balls or naphthalene balls, and for in the temples you have seen the camphor balls there, for the worship people use, and when they burn directly that solid camphor balls or naphthalene balls, what happens, if fume appears directly in form of vapors, so that process of appearance of vapor from directly solid to the vapor form, that is called as the sublimation. The reverse process where vapor converts to a solid is called as deposition. Means, if the vapors suppose if the vapor appeared and again it settled back down to the normal process, suppose in form of solid form or powdered solid form, then that is called as the deposition. It means it will settle down. The different process involved in the change of state of matter are given below. Means, it is a cyclic form where the stages appears that are for the change of state of matter from one state to other. See, here is the solid number 1, then comes the liquid, and after that at last is the gas. Here arrow is given how it will get converted. For the solid, if you have suppose you have taken ice, then if it get melt, then it will get converted into liquid. And if suppose you have taken the water in a beaker and you heat it, through boiling it will get converted into the gas. Now you cover that vessel with the help of a lid and switch off the gas flame. Then you can see that after few minutes, vapor droplets in form of water, it will appear on the glass lid. So collection of that vapor droplets and appearance, that is called as the condensation. Then from that it will come back again to the normal liquid when it totally cools down in form of water or any substance or any liquid. Then after that again, if you kept that solid substance into if you keep that water or any liquid substance in the freezer, then it will get converted into the solid form. Suppose we have considered here the ice.